Hello, everyone, and welcome to the True Plan of Living. Today we'll be preparing string bean drink. Here are our ingredients. We're going to be using 3 cups string beans chopped, 1 medium lemon, half-inch ginger, half cup agave, and 4 cups water. Add all ingredients to a high-speed blender and blend until smooth. Now, string bean is packed with vitamin K and vitamin C. It's a good source of fiber. It's cholesterol-free and fat-free. Also, because of its high fiber content, string bean slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugars in your bloodstream, and this can assist your body's insulin response to glucose. So it's great for diabetes, but please make sure you avoid the sweetener if you're going to use this recipe. And there you have it, the string bean drink. That looks good. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share our videos. As well as follow us on Pinterest, Instagram, and like us on Facebook. Thanks again for tuning into the True Plan of Living. See you next time.